AI is not replacing professionals, it is exposing them. It's revealing who actually understands their value and who has been operating on autopilot. For decades, complexity was a shield. Slow systems, manual approvals, and fragmented information created a fog where everyone looked valuable. When systems are slow, activity is often mistaken for achievement. The noise of the process hid the lack of real results. But AI removes friction. It strips away the busy work and the coordination loops. And when friction disappears, only real contribution remains visible. The fog is lifting across every industry, revealing who was truly steering the ship and who was just keeping the engine warm. In this new transparency, three distinct types of professionals are emerging. Understanding which one you are is now a matter of survival. First, the process-dependent professional. These are the executors of steps. They move information from point A to point B. They follow frameworks. AI now performs these linear tasks faster, cheaper, and without fatigue. In an AI world, efficiency is no longer an advantage, it is the baseline. Second, the knowledge-dependent professional. For years, their value came from knowing more facts, regulations, or historical data than others. But AI now aggregates and recalls knowledge instantly. When access to information is universal, knowledge alone is no longer scarce. It is a commodity. Then there is the third category, the decision-accountable professional. This is the only role that AI cannot touch. This is where the shift becomes personal. These professionals don't just execute or recall information. They define the problem, they choose the trade-off, they navigate the grey areas. Most importantly, they accept the consequence of the choice, and that cannot be automated. AI can provide the map, but only a human can take the blame. AI can generate 1,000 options in seconds. It can simulate every path forward based on every data point available in human history. But AI cannot own risk. It cannot carry the weight of responsibility. It is a tool for calculation, not a leader for direction. It cannot stand behind a decision when outcomes matter. The weight of a decision is the only thing AI can never carry for you. So the real question is no longer, will AI replace my job? The real question is, if friction disappears tomorrow, what exactly is left of my value? Are you adding judgment to the machine's output, or are you just a human processor for its inputs? Are you a creator of value or a conduit for information? In the AI era, value shifts from activity to accountability, from execution to ownership. Ownership is where the elite separate from the rest. This is the new frontier of professional excellence. It requires a shift in mindset from, how do I do this, to, why should we do this? To lead in this era, you must master the machine without becoming its servant. You must use its speed to amplify your judgment, not replace it. Professionals who thrive will be those who can look past the data and see the human impact. Those who can articulate a vision that AI cannot conceive. Understanding who owns AI decisions is not just a technical challenge, it is the core strategic challenge of our time. It defines the hierarchy of the future. In that hierarchy, those who carry the burden of decision will always outrank those who merely operate the tools of execution. If this shift concerns you, or if you want to be on the right side of it, watch the next video. We will dive deep into the mechanics of AI ownership. Mastering this shift is how you move from being a passenger in the AI revolution to being its architect. The transition starts with a single choice. Don't get left behind in the autopilot era. Understand the power of accountability today. The choice is yours. Choose wisely. Will you own the outcome or just the process? I'll see you in the next video.